Most print-on-demand clothing looks cheap, shrinks in the wash, and feels like a walking billboard. But if you want to start a premium streetwear brand or high-quality merch for your biz without spending thousands
upfront on bulk inventory, how do you actually do it? Today, I am putting a major platform to the test. I'm officially working with Tapstitch to see if their heavyweight blanks and unique design placements like custom sleeve printing are actually worth the money.
In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I took the artwork I already had prepared, uploaded it to the platform, and how you can get 10% off your first order using my exclusive link.
I just put my money where my mouth is and ordered my first 2 samples. One is a custom merch for my current business, and the other is a secret prototype for a brand I'm launching. The packages are officially scheduled to drop on June the 23rd to be delivered to me, which is when I'll show you if the quality is trash or a total pass.
Officially working with Tapstitch to see if their heavyweight blanks and unique design placements like custom sleeve printing.
If you already run a business, you know good merch builds a community. For my business merch, I already had my official logo ready to go. And for the second sample, the new clothing line, I brought in a custom design I've been holding on to. So instead of doing a basic, like one of the basic t-shirts, I wanted to test out a t-shirt at Tapstitch because finding good quality blanks for shirts is incredibly hard in the print-on-demand space. I chose Tapstitch because I want to see how my specific artwork looks on their fabric. The process was insanely easy because I didn't have to build anything from scratch on the site. Anyone can do this. So step 1, you create an account for free. Step 2, you pick a blank like the custom shirt that I went with. Step 3, you just drag and drop your artwork. I literally took the images I already made, uploaded them, and placed them right on the front. So now let me give you a huge pro tip so you don't make the same mistake I did. Tapstitch actually lets you put designs in crazy unique places like custom inner neck tags or right down the sleeves if you are making hoodies. I was moving so fast through the checkout that I completely forgot to add side or sleeve prints to my template. I just stuck it print for this round. I just stuck with printing on the front for this round, but when you sign up, make sure to take advantage of those unique placements to make your brand stand out. Now, full disclaimer, to see the quality, you do have to buy your own samples up front. I paid for mine out of my pocket because you should never sell something to your supporters or customers without testing it first. But the business model is still completely risk-free. Once your samples look good, you connect Tapstitch to your online store for free. Whenever a customer buys from your site, Tapstitch prints it and ships it, and you just get paid automatically. So I'm excited to get these and see the quality, and then I'll go back and print on the sleeve and on the tags. I just wanted to see what the quality was. I've been came up with this design that I want to come out with a clothing like a brand with. I had a whole printing where I did the printing. I had a shop. I did sublimation printing. I did the regular heat printing, and I also did embroidery. I also did where you can wrap cars. I had the machine to do that, but I could never get I had to train myself on that machine, guys, and it was kind of hard. So the whole, and I had to keep inventory, and I had a overhead because I was renting out a space to do this in. I did good. And this was around 2021 when I was running my t-shirt company, but I ended up selling. I had all kind of printers. I sold everything and pretty much got back pretty good on that business, but I decided, I was like, I'm gonna do this again. I still have my name, a LLC for that business and everything, but I was like, I want to do this again, but I'd rather, have a printing company to print it for me and have one design, because it was the other thing that I didn't like I would be doing orders, custom orders. They will give me their designs, and it's a lot working with people and their designs. It kind of got a little bit too much for me, and I was working by myself, so I was like, okay, I gotta do something different. I had an order for 100 shirts one time. It was for a family reunion, and they had their own design. It came out great, but again, I had to provide the inventory for these, get the blanks and everything. So I'm excited to try this. So I got my design here ready to go, and that's my second design. And my first one I showed earlier, it was on the screen, but ordering these, it was around $34.12 with the shipping for both of these. So we're gonna see how this quality looks, how long it takes, not how long it takes, how the quality is, and it's a great quality, because before I put out anything, I want to test this quality. But ordering everything and putting the designs on and uploading them, it was very easy to do that. It took like under 5 minutes, and they do have a lot of if you need to design, they have AI that'll help you design a design right on their site. They have a lot of designs that you can choose from on there. Like, it's a lot of variety. And the clothing, there's a lot of clothing design, the fashion, the styles. I'm liking the styles that they have. So that's a great thing. You got a lot to choose from, not just t-shirts and hoodies. I'm just gonna go through here and show you some of the great blanks that they have that you can choose from, men and women. I'm loving like the little different sets that they have in the sweats and the hoodies. I like they got the crop type. They got different kinds. Like, they even have denim on here for blanks and jackets. I think that's pretty cool. Different types of pants, even shorts. Like, it's a lot to choose from if you're looking to start a clothing brand, like different type of fashion styles. I'm loving it. So I'm loving that you can do different styles. Like one of the ones that I printed on was like a crop type shirt. I want to see how that fits, so I didn't want to just get a regular t-shirt. It is for my business, but hey, I'm gonna be dressed really cute, and I want to see my logo on a shirt because I don't have any branding of mine for my business. So I thought that would be great, and if the quality is good, I only ordered one, so I can be using that and wear that while I'm going to events. But there's so many styles to choose from, as you can see here, and that's a game changer. You have so many styles that you can go with this company, and then you can do the custom sleeves and printing, not just like it's like a real tag that they place inside of the neck. So my next order that I get I'm gonna try that. But if the quality is great, once I get it, I'm gonna be ready to lunch, because I have more than one. That was one of my designs, the hot and classy, but I have a few that I had that I never did lunch, because I really want to do that instead of like custom, like I would say I was doing more custom, I guess, printing, where they would tell me what they wanted and then I would print it. I really did not like that at all. And some of them would ask me, but you seen they had cute little jump sets you can one pieces. And it was cute. I thought about getting that one, but I was like, I should have got it on the hot and classy the next time. But they have some cute styles. But like I was saying, that the styles are endless, looks like here. The only thing I didn't see, I did want like an apron. I didn't see where you can print on an apron, but that would be great if they add that to their blanks. But as you can see, they have some cute styles here, many to choose from, men and women. So Tapstitch claims their print quality holds up and the fabric feels premium, but I'm going to give you my 100% honest, unfiltered review on these shirts when I get them. Mark your calendars for June 23rd. Hopefully they come on time. The second these packages land on my doorstep, I'm making a follow-up video to unbox them, stretch them, wash them, and see if the quality is actually here. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you don't miss the June 23rd unboxing, and go use the link below to get your 10% discount and upload your designs and see.
So guys, you do get a 10% off your first order and a $20 credit when you set up through my link. So see you next time.